this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to the WhatsApp for Zendesk Cell application. So the WhatsApp app will live within the sidebar of any leads or contacts, and once you have it installed, you'll see this on the right-hand side of your screen. Now, to initiate a conversation with, say, a new lead, you can select from any of your templates, and we've just got a bunch of them loaded here. And once you select your template, for example, we'll just use this initial contact. I can see the body of the template, which is already in there, and once I hit send, it will actually fire away. Now, if I pull up my phone here, I can actually see that conversation pop in, and if I were to open it up, I can see the whole conversation. Of course, I will continue that, and we're ready to go. So now, once this conversation has been opened, I can say thanks for sharing, and once I hit send, that will actually pop back over into the lead card here. Perhaps I want to share a bit more information, so I can forward along a template for shipping information, and I'll paste in their tracking code. It'll automatically insert it into the message, and once I hit send, it will actually use that template to send it out. And on the customer side or the prospect side, I can actually see that all the information came in through here. And if now that I've initiated the conversation, I can simply say, let me know if you need anything else, hit send, and that will go to the prospect as well. So this has been a kind of brief look at how you can use WhatsApp to interact with prospects and customers within the Zendesk Sell product. And I hope you've enjoyed this. Let us know if you have any additional questions. We'd be excited to share more with you.